What is up, everyone? This is Motutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the error operation could not be completed 0X00000709. So let's get right into this. The easiest way to basically fix this error is to go to your search bar and just type in regedit until you see the registry editor open up as such. So I'm going to close it out because I was doing a few other things. So in here, we're basically going to do where it says H key current user. Then we're going to open up software as such. So then we're going to open up where it says Microsoft as such. So then we're going to open up where it says Windows as such. So and then you're going to open up something that says Windows NT. So you can see that over here. Once you have this opened up, you're going to see where it says current version. And then you're going to look for something called Windows again, right? So you can see the flow on the top. Current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, NT, current version, Windows, right? So once you have this flow opened, you want to right click into where it says Windows. Oh, let me actually make it go up so I can actually see the bottom. And then you want to click into where it says permissions. In here, I want you to basically allow where it says the full control access, press allow, and then press apply. Once you do this, restart your computer, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please thumbs up. If you guys in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that more tutorials out. Peace.